Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel of Meteorological Centre Gangtok. I'm R.K. Chhetri and I'll be presenting weekly weather review and weather forecast for next 2 weeks over Sikkim state. So the outline is as follows. Important synoptic situation observed during last week. Realized rainfall distribution over Sikkim. Realized district-wise average rainfall in millimeters. Realized weather, maximum, minimum and rainfall over various stations. Graphical representation of minimum temperature. Weather forecast for next 2 weeks and weather forecast bulletin for Sikkim state. So important synoptic situation observed during last week. On 18 February, there was an upper air cyclonic circulation over Bangladesh and neighborhood, which extended up to 2.1 km above mean sea level, and the same became less marked on the next day. On 20th February, a cyclonic circulation was located over Sikkim and adjoining West Assam at 3.1 km above mean sea level, which became less marked on 21st February. Again on 23rd February, there was an upper air cyclonic circulation over northeast Bangladesh and neighborhood at 3.1 km above mean sea level, which became less marked on 24th February. So we have the surface chart of 25th February, that is today, taken at 3 UTC. Then we have upper air chart part 1 of 0 UTC of today. Next upper air chart part 2 taken on 25th February, that is today. Then we have the satellite image taken between 8:15 to 8:42 hours IST of today. Then we have minimum temperature 24 hours change for 25th February. Then we have the realized rainfall distribution over Sikkim state. As you can see from the table, on 18th February, rainfall was observed over few places over North Sikkim and 1 or 2 places over East Sikkim. And on 24th February, rainfall was observed over North and East Sikkim and at a few places over West Sikkim as well. Then we have realized district-wise average rainfall in millimeter. We can see from the table on 18th February, North Sikkim recorded an average rainfall of 3.8 millimeters and East Sikkim only 0.1 millimeter. And on 24th February, North Sikkim recorded 1.0 and West Sikkim recorded 0.1 millimeter rainfall. That is average rainfall in millimeters. Then we have realized weather over various important locations. We can see the highest maximum was recorded over Tadung, 21.9 degrees Celsius, and lowest minimum was recorded by Gazing, 7.7 degrees Celsius. Then we have realized daily minimum temperature in degrees Celsius over 3 stations, Gangtok, Tadung and Pakyong. We can see from the graph, there was a gradual rise in minimum temperature till 23rd and again a slight dip on 24th February. Then we have weather forecast for the next 2 weeks. Week 1 commencing on 26th February and ending on 4th March, and week 2 commencing on 5th March and ending on 11th March. So rainfall forecast for the next 2 weeks. Western disturbance associated light to moderate rainfall likely over Jammu and Kashmir and adjoining regions in week 1 and week 2. Some parts of South Peninsula may receive light to moderate rainfall. Then we come to the temperature part. Maximum temperature. The maximum temperature over the entire northern India, northwest India, northeast India will experience above normal maximum temperature during the period. Some parts of west central India will have slightly below normal maximum temperature in week 1. Then minimum temperature. Warm anomalies likely over northwest India including Gujarat region, adjoining central India and also extreme north India in week 1 and week 2. Although the positive minimum temperature anomalies will slightly decrease in the second week. Then we have rainfall forecast for the next 2 weeks. Then we have rainfall forecast map for the next 2 weeks from 26th February to 4th March and from 5th March to 11th March. Then we have maximum temperature forecast for next 2 weeks and minimum temperature forecast for the next 2 weeks. Lastly, we have weather forecast for Sikkim state for the next 5 days. As you can see from the table, rainfall and snow at higher altitude is expected in East and North Sikkim on all 5 days, that is from 25th February till 1st March. And West Sikkim is expected to be mainly dry on 25th and 1st March, and on 26th, 27th, 28th we are expecting light rainfall or snow at high altitudes. South Sikkim will remain dry on 25th, 26th February and 1st March, and we are expecting light rainfall on 27th and 28th February. So next week we will be presenting the same. Till then, thank you so much.